So today we'll be looking at topic 1.4 in the AP Microeconomics curriculum, which is comparative advantages. So first, let's define the terms that you will need to know for this topic. Comparative advantages and absolute advantages are used when talking about trade between two countries, usually with the production of two different goods. The country with the comparative advantage will have the lower opportunity cost of producing the good. The country with an absolute advantage can produce more of the good, and this is regardless of opportunity cost. So comparative advantage is the one that takes into account opportunity cost. And let's put all of this into perspective with an example. So here we have the US and Spain engaging in trade with two goods, cars and TVs. First, since the US produces only 30 cars while Spain produces 100, which is greater than 30, Spain has the absolute advantage in producing cars. Furthermore, since the US produces 60 TVs while Spain can only produce 50, the US has an absolute advantage in producing TVs. As for a comparative advantage, the opportunity cost for producing a car in Spain is one half of a TV, while the opportunity cost in the US of producing a car is two TVs, which means that Spain has a comparative advantage in producing cars, since it has a lower opportunity cost. Using the same logic, we will find that the US has a lower opportunity cost of producing TVs, so it will have a comparative advantage in producing TVs. This means that the US will export TVs to Spain, and Spain will export cars to the US. Finally, there's one more thing that you should know for this topic, and this is basically like a table like the one that we have above, but it's not going to be talking about production of a good in terms of quantity, but it would rather be talking about labor hours necessary to produce the good. If you see something like that, it's important for you to look for the combination that takes up less hours instead of more. So you would want the country that it takes less hours to produce a certain good instead of more. So that's all you need to know. These are the main points that you would need to know for topic 1.4 in the microeconomic curriculum, and I'll see you for the next one.